Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add subtitles to video in Shotcut. So first you need to do is select video where you want to add subtitles. After that we need to go to Open Other and we need to select here Text. Then we need to change preset to Transparent and select here Rich. Then I click Add to Timeline and now your text will be successfully added here. Now we can easily edit this text, so I click Ctrl A and I type here simple text, maybe something like easy method for add subtitles. Okay, and now I click Ctrl A and I change size of subtitles. I will type here maybe 32. And now we can change position of this text, maybe lower or maybe higher. Everything depends on your preferences. You can do it too by changing position of this one dot to the lower side. And of course you can change color of your text by clicking here, and then you can select one from available color text. For example, I will select here green and I click OK. Remember that you can always change position of this text on time track, everything to display text in correct moments. Remember that you can always copy and paste this text, so I select it, I click Ctrl C, I click somewhere there and I click Ctrl V. Then text will be successfully inserted here. I can easily change length of this text and maybe I will edit it to another one. For example, leave the space. Okay, and let's check how it works. So I click play button and how you see text has been successfully displayed here, and after a moment it disappeared, and after another moment we have another one text, so it is really working. It's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to check links in description.